Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the show animation when unlocking with the fingerprint in this device. So in this device I already enabled the fingerprint unlock. Let me show you. You can see on the lock screen, you can see the fingerprint lock scanner you can see. If you tap on this one, you can see as the animation you can see here, a circle rotation you can see, right? So let me show you how to enable or disable this fingerprint animation when unlocking the device. You can see here. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on the option security and privacy. Now again scroll down, tap on screen lock and biometrics. So here we need to enter our screen lock, tap on continue. Tap on the option fingerprint. Now here you can see the option show animation when unlocking. Now this is enabled, that's why you can see that animation when unlocking using the fingerprints. If you don't want to view that the animation, then simply you can disable this one. Now let me show you how it works. Now tap on the fingerprint. You can see without animation successfully it is unlocked. You can see. If you want to again enable, go to settings, security and privacy, then fingerprints, turn on this option, tap on the fingerprint scanner, you can see the animation. So simply in this way you can enable or disable the animation when unlocking with the fingerprint in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.